Russian fighter jets with their pilots cannot escape Ukraine. Like this video if you want Ukraine to shoot down more Russian jets. Since the beginning of the Russian invasion, the Russians have been carrying out attack operations against Ukrainian targets with their fighter jets. But these attacks have not been as successful as they thought. The Ukrainian army shot down hundreds of Russian planes, dealing a major blow to the Russians. The Russians lost more than 355 fighter jets and hundreds of important pilots. Using unmanned aerial vehicles and air defense systems, the Ukrainian defense forces shot down Russian planes one by one on the battlefield. The delivery of the F-16s to Ukraine is very close. Ukrainian pilots have almost completed their training. The Ukrainian army's delivery of the F-16s towards the summer months will completely change the course of the war. Although the Ukrainian army is effective in ground operations and drone operations, its power in the region will increase significantly with the F-16s. What do you think about the Ukrainian army shooting down more than 360 Russian fighter jets?